Hey, welcome back. Until now, we have been talking all about the number primitive data type. Now, let's talk about the Boolean primitive data type. Okay? So, as you can see here, in computer science, a Boolean is a logical data type that can have only the values true or false. Okay? So, Boolean is a logical data type. Whenever we want to write some sort of a logic inside of our code by using the if statements, as you can see, we use the booleans all the time to do so. And don't worry, we will cover the if statements and the conditionals in the upcoming videos. Okay, so the boolean is a logical data type which has the values true or false. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go here inside of my code editor. Okay, and also let's go here. Okay, so this is the JavaScript console. So what I have done, I have just commented out all of the previous code here. Okay, so let's do that. So what I can do, I can declare a variable. Let's do let is logged in equals to, let's do true. And as you can see, it is all in lowercase. Okay, and if I just hover over to this is logged in, as you can see, let is logged in, it is a boolean type. Okay, awesome. So now if I just console log of is logged in, as you can see, we are getting true. Also inside of this console as well, we can write true. Okay, we can write false. Okay, so these are boolean data types. Now, one other thing which I want to point out here, let's declare another variable. So let is going equals to, I will open up the quotes or single quotes or double quotes, and let's do false, something like that. If I save that, as you can see, this is not a boolean. So as you can see, when I hover over to this variable inside of VS Code, it is stating like, hey, is going is a string. We will learn about strings in the next video. Okay, so this is not a boolean. So this is not a boolean. Okay, all right. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one. So we can do something like this. Okay, now as you can see, this is the variable here which is called is logged in. Now inside of JavaScript, there is something which I want to point out here, like when we are declaring the variable with let. So what will happen is that I can do something like is logged in equals to 123. Okay, this is totally valid. Now you might be thinking like, hey, this is a boolean data type, right? But now we are just changing or the updating the value or resetting the value to a number. Is that good? It is not good. Okay, but inside of JavaScript we can do that. As you can see, we are getting 1 to 3 here. So this is why many of the developers do not like JavaScript, and most of the developers tend to get to writing code with TypeScript basically, which is a little bit stricter version of JavaScript. Okay, so in case if you have written some code in Java or basically C, as you can see, this sort of thing like changing of the boolean to a number is not valid. Okay, but here inside of JavaScript we can do that. Okay, awesome. So this is basically the booleans in JavaScript. So booleans are the logical operators which can be true or can be false as well, as you can see. Okay, so this is the booleans in JavaScript. Let's go with true here. Okay, awesome. So this is the booleans in JavaScript.